to the demo of Scholar your smart companion for discovering and applying to scholarships that truly fits you. In this video, we'll walk through the platform and show how easy it is to use. So Scholar is basically designed to recommend scholarship tailored to each student's background, academic interest, and eligibility. It saves time, boosts application success, and ensures no opportunity is missed. So when you land on the home page, you are greeted with a very clean interface and an invitation to either register or log in as a student. And let's start by signing up. So basically, I'm going to log in, and now we are logging in as a student. So I have already created the password and the email address to log in as a student, which even you can use. Yeah, all right. So we are now signing in as a student. So here the students basically while creating the ID enters the basic details, the name, the email, the educational qualifications and a few preferences, and this information powers our recommendation engine. So after logging in, users are taken to a personalized dashboard, and here we fetch and display a list of recommended scholarships sorted by relevance and eligibility. Students can also browse all available scholarships using keywords, tags, or categories, such as government funded, merit based, and there are many more others. So, clicking on certain scholarship opens a detailed view with the description, the eligibility criteria. See, the description here, right here, the requirements or the eligibility criteria, the benefits, and the deadlines. And user can also choose to save a scholarship for later to directly proceed to the official application link. Scholar also tracks applied and shortlisted scholarships for better organization. So the application form here can be filled directly, and the whatever requirements are there from the sponsors or the client side can be fulfilled, and the submit application can directly be done, or it can be saved as a draft for later reference. Now, uh, as the sponsor has created s- many more other scholarships, so the student can choose to apply to n number of scholarship it wants. Moving on, I have already done the demo for this, so that the very first Python programming program here, right here, is been approved by the sponsor, and the other one, which is a research related sponsorship, is still pending. So after this, I'll show you the sponsor part too. So this is how the application is filed and how the sponsor side approves it, and this is how everything is reflected. This is the current dashboard, and this is the wallet. Yeah. So basically, the wallet has not much functioning, but it actually contain very detailed information about the available balance and the amount which is ready to withdraw or reimburse in the account of the student, and it contains the application which is filed, and this is the current profile of the student, which contains all the phone number, name, email, the education level, the institution, and family income and GP, right? And this is the dashboard, which contains the total earned amount, the number of completed tasks, the pending applications, which I showed you right before, that was of the research application, which was not which is still pending, right? And this is the current streak. After that, these are the scholarships, and this is the recent activity which has happened from the student side. Now I'll log out from this account, and let's move on to log in as a sponsor, and I'll show you how a sponsor actually functions and how things are actually going in the backend. So now when I'll show you the sponsor account, what is happening is it has certain features which are really different but important from a student's perspective. So moving on, I'll show you the create scholarship idea. So behind the bars, what is happening is the sponsor can actually give the details of the scholarship which that particular client wants to provide to the students who actually need it. So there are certain details which are supposed to be filled and certain requirements which are supposed to be fulfilled by the sponsor, and after that this scholarship can be published and it will be reflected in the student's account, right? And these are the scholarships which are already published by the sponsors, which was being reflected in the student account too, as I showed you, right? These are all the scholarship which is published by that this particular sponsor, and this is the payment transaction. This basically shows that what amount of which scholarship has been reimbursed into the account of which learner, right? This is the dashboard, the important highlight of this Scholar B, which contains the total donated amount, the number of students helped, the active scholarship which is currently 5, and the scholarship which is completed. So, whenever the deadline is crossed and the number of students which were supposed to get the scholarship got it, then this number increases, right? These are the recent applications. As I showed you that the Python programming application was approved, but the research scholarship was not. So this is how it is showing that it is pending, right? So yeah, this is how the sponsor part of the website functions. Apart from that, I'll show you how the application can be viewed actually. So when I check this, yeah, so there are total one applications which is currently filed by that student which I showed you. Now I can directly approve this. See, yeah. So when I approve this, this application has been approved for 3,999 has been created to the student wallet account. Yeah. So this is approved. When I log in as a student in this website, then that thing will get updated. I'll show you right here. Student one. Yeah. So as it was showing that it was pending, but now when I approved it from the sponsor side, it will now show as approved right here. Yeah. So this is how the things are working, and our front end is actually built using React and Tailwind CSS, and the backend is powered by Node.js and Express.js. And all the user data is securely stored in MongoDB, and we have deployed the platform using Render for smooth access so that any person over the world can publicly access our website. So Scholar B actually helps student focus on what matters, like basically applying smartly, not endlessly searching for things and going here and there and looking after things and not finding something which is really impactful. So whether you are in high school, college, or post grad, the right scholarship should be actually just a click away. So this is our website and this is what we created. I hope that this will create a lot of impact in the upcoming years. And thanks for watching, and try out Scholar B and never miss a scholarship again. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much.